Hi guys, we are in the HUMMER and today with...
Yeah, I'm still there. I come from France. Yeah, that's my last build. It's HUMMER. The base is the 1125. I did the swap on Duramax. It's the LBZ with the Allison 6 transmission. I redo like the wall body with the like fender flares. That's like the particular paint. We are like the...
Sorry guys, if you don't hear very well, we are at the HUMMER is at the end, so some people talk in the same time. So sorry about the sound, but okay, fender flare.
Yeah, fender flare. We have like side step, custom front bumper, the scoop, everything. The scoop in aluminum.
So what's the logo on the scoop?
That's my logo.
The logo of your company?
Yeah.
Because Steve is a good friend and he's a builder and he do absolutely amazing work for sure. So go follow him for sure. I will put an Instagram and everything on the video. So tell us a little bit about the inside. I know you like perfection.
Yeah, we didn't finish on time for the HUMMER, but yeah, I tried to do like something like very different.
Look at that, guys. Look at that. So tell us a little bit. So what's
The seats coming from the Cadillac Escalade, the platinum one, so like something like very comfortable. The interior is like with the design like completely different. You can see it's way more like smooth, way more clean.
It's comfortable.
Yeah.
It's not anymore for going in work.
No, completely different than the H1 or H1 Alpha.
And the leather is just amazing. It's like Hermes for sure. Very cool. Okay, so what else? Well, we're gonna have a ZEN-Rage exhaust on it, on the diesel. And what else? The wheels?
The wheels, I put it at 22 inch, so something big but not too much heavy. I redo the fuel cell to have a 30 gallons capacity.
And till he's here, let me introduce Jesse because that's the guy that you have do actually the design of the truck. We don't see on the video, but the design is absolutely
all
amazing.
Done by hand, freestyle art. This is all improvised. Flew all the way down from Montreal to design this with Steve over 3 days, non-stop 16-hour days, 3-4 bottles of ink, and about a half ounce a week. And it got done.
That's amazing.
This is all hand designed, as you can see.
So you fly from Montreal for do this project?
Yeah, Steve is a friend from long term, and he had an idea for this project, and with the collaboration of my art, we were able to do something that was settled and still badass as fuck if you're able to go flat to a panel to see the image. But yeah, on an angle it's pretty ghost, so it's very settled, but when you go on the sun and the flat side, you see very nice design.
That's very cool. Very cool. All right, Phil, thank you so much, and you're gonna see these guys a lot on the YouTube channel. More is gonna be.
Yeah.
But see you later, guys.
Peace.